Hello Niti, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How is it at your end?
Yeah, everything all well. So, first of all, congratulations on getting the admission offers. You have got two admission offers till now, and I understand that you are waiting for some more, right?
Yeah, right. That's right.
So when did you decide to go to the US for your master's degree?
During my final year of engineering, that was in around 2013-14 itself, I had decided. But then I hadn't yet decided which, coaching class to join, what to do and all. Like, I was sure that I'll go for masters, but then many things were very confusing. Like, I hadn't decided on the coaching class and how I would go about it and all that.
So, why did you decide to do your masters in the US? I mean, you have done your bachelor's degree in India, so why not continue here?
Oh, because actually the research opportunities and the exposure is much better there in the US. First of all, we get a global exposure. We get to interact with people from all over the world. And also in the universities in US, mostly, some of them would be Nobel laureates, the professors and the faculty, like they would be really experienced. And also I think the lab facilities like would be exceptionally great over there, like much better than India.
Which college have you done your bachelor's degree from?
It's from National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, NIT Nagpur.
Oh, you're from NIT Nagpur. So VNIT,
VNIT.
right? Okay, so why did you decide to join Jambori? What kind of background search did you do, or did you go to any other consultancies?
Yeah, actually, I had gone to some other consultancies in Vashi, but then actually my cousins, like they have also, they had joined some coaching institute and they are in US, like they had done their masters there and now they are working. So my cousins, like she suggested Jambori, I mean, she had a very good experience with Jambori. She was in the Bangalore branch of Jambori.
Okay,
And it was around 5 to 6 years back.
okay.
Yeah, I mean, she gave a very good feedback about it.
So, and how was your own experience?
Yeah. My experience has been like really great. I mean, once I joined the institute, uh, like the counselors, I mean the counselors who were there in the Vashi branch, they knew that I won't be able to attend the Saturday batches in Vashi because I have office. So they made a point to arrange for my classes in other branches, Andheri, Dadar as well. So I mean they were all very helpful and I have been able to attend all the classes, and even if I have missed any class, they made it a point to conduct only for me. They explained, they made up I mean the faculty made a point to explain that particular class just for me and everything. I mean, also every after the beginning of every class, they used to revise whatever was done the last class, and it went very smoothly.
If you, I think you did some classes in Vashi, some in Dadar, some in Andheri. So you might have probably been taught by different faculty. So did it impact your training negatively?
No, actually, I have taken the same faculty. Like I chose the timings where the same
Oh, okay.
teachers used to teach in those batches.
Oh, okay. So
So
the faculty remains same. It's just that based on
so
your
I didn't
convenience, you went to different
st
centers.
right. Yeah.
How long was your coaching, and after after finishing the classes, when did you take the exam?
Yeah, the coaching was the 10 weeks program, so it ended in May, and then I took my exam in August 4th of August. I took my GRE, and after that again I started my TOEFL classes, and then I gave my TOEFL on August 29th.
So, what was your GRE score? I mean, was it up to your expectations? Are you happy with your GRE score?
Yeah, I actually was expecting a bit more, uh, but then I think like due to the office hours were very stringent, so I mean I could not get so much of a time for preparation. So whatever score I have got, it's like a bit of my struggle and a lot of help from the Jamboree. If I would have put in more efforts, I think I could have even scored 330 plus.
Okay, okay.
But the time was a constraint for me.
So you keep on you are I hear this time constraint a lot, from you. I have heard this like, 2-3 times till now. So as a working professional, I can understand that you probably had a lot of time crunch. So did you do any other study material other than what Jamboree had given you?
Um, yeah, Jamboree materials plus the official EPS, the GRE, official GRE books. I had studied those books. That's it. Nothing
Right.
else.
So I mean, those were also, I think, included in
There's the
your,
official
right,
GRE
right,
guide, and then there's a verbal and mathematics official guide. So total there were three books. Like
right.
that's it.
And in terms of online practice tests, did you go through the Jamboree platform? Did you find it helpful?
Yeah, they were quite helpful. The standards were pretty high. The verbal and the quant was like really much above the the official exam. So that was good. And even verbal was like at par with the official exam.
So after you were done with your GRE coaching, you took admissions counseling services also from Jamboree. So did you go for it at one
Hello.
go, or did you go for the admissions counseling service later on?
No, actually, I had enrolled for the counseling during my coaching, GRE coaching itself. I
Okay,
didn't
okay,
join it once my coaching was over, like once
okay,
my coaching was over. I had joined in much before that.
right, right.
But the official,
Hmm, hmm.
I mean, the counseling started once my GRE exams were.
Right, right. So what kind of assistance did you get for your admissions
Hello?
process?
Yeah, like before I gave my final exam, the counselor actually, predicted my score based on the, marks I used to get in the practice tests. So
Okay,
based on that, the counselor had shortlisted some universities for me and also had given me the links for my specialization or
okay,
my interest. So I had started researching on that before the exams itself. And also I had started my LOR preparation.
hmm.
I had been assigned a writer also,
Okay,
so I had already started with the letter of recommendation format and the refining of that.
right, right. So, what kind of advice would you want to, give to students like yourself, who are thinking of going to the US for their masters?
Um, I feel like the student should first understand what I mean. You should not go for masters just for the sake of it. Like I mean, you should know what field actually interests you, and you should find and take the right decision in terms of coaching and study materials, and be full-fledged prepared before you decide know to go for masters in US.
So, and if would you recommend Jamboree to somebody, like your cousin recommended Jamboree to you? So, would you recommend Jamboree to somebody else?
Yeah, definitely. Jamboree has been really great help for me in terms of coaching, counseling, everything. So I mean, I feel Jamboree is a very good coaching institute for many others who wish to pursue their studies abroad.
Okay, thank you so much, and all the best for your masters, and stay in touch with us.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you, Niti. That will
My
be
visa
a.
counseling is still there. Yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah, of
yeah,
course, of course. Oh,
yeah,
don't worry, you'll get the visa. So,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
so stay in touch with us, and all the best. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.